15 minutes from Disney. We just drove for 16 hours and we're almost there. So first stop is Disney Springs. How you feeling, Madison? Feeling
Excited.
good? Yeah, we had a rough night. We had a little bit of a challenging night with our first hotel stay. Our room was infested with roaches, so we had to quickly relocate, but luckily we were able to find a backup hotel, and now we're ready to do some shopping in Disney Springs. It's beautiful out, it's not raining, yay! So yes, and then we're gonna check into the All-Star just for tonight, and then tomorrow we're headed to Universal Studios and then the Animal Kingdom. So we're gonna bring you guys along. See you in Disney Springs. So we made it to Disney Springs, if you can hear me through my mask, and we're headed to Deluxe Burger. We did the mobile order, so we're gonna go pick it up. Just picked up mobile ordering. It's not as easy as I was led to believe it would be, because we ordered and then we still waited about a half an hour for our food, and it's kind of chaos in there. But we're at Disney Springs, so I don't know what it could be because it's the only place for this mobile service, but finally got our food. Okay, so for allergies, everything came separate in a separate bag for my allergy kits, and it's labeled allergy friendly, and then also on the boxes they're labeled for allergy friendly. My stuff came in a separate bag altogether, so that was really good. And also you order right from the app, from the allergy menu, so they're covered. Okay, so we just finished eating. My hair looks crazy. And it took quite a while to get our food. I needed to follow my own pro tip of not eating at lunchtime, because one of the people that are with us waited 45 minutes and their food was never ready on the app. So then they had to go inside and try to get their food. It never showed up ready on the app. So I know they're feeling overwhelmed now and they're understaffed and all the things, but try to eat really early or really late, not like anywhere between 11 and 2. We're in building 4, staying in room 4946. Okay, we made it.
It's so cool.
Madison is just like thrilled with this room. We're staying in the Dalmatian section and it's super cute. It has like, Madison's gonna give you a tour, but here's the bed that pulls out. Here's the other bed, really cute Disney things all around. In the All-Star, it's always so cute because they always have it very well themed for Disney. And now we're unloading the car. So it's gonna rain and we wanna have some pool time before the rain comes. So we're gonna get everything in and hopefully go to the pool. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Yep. Finally made it, yay. Okay, so if you see like the mess behind me, I was going to give you guys a proper tour of the room, but we decided to carry our luggage on the roof of my car for the drive, and there was like a torrential downpour the whole time. And guess what? Our clothes are all completely soaked. So we had to unpack everything, and we just have stuff laying all over the room. We're leaving this resort early tomorrow morning and going to Universal, so I just really don't feel like paying for laundry right now, because tomorrow we're gonna have a washer and dryer in our DVC resort. So yeah, so we just like literally have stuff
I'll just tell you
laying
what's
all
here.
over.
There's a door, then a window, then a pull-out bed.
We have a pull-out bed.
There's a table here, but there's a bunch of clothes on it.
It's okay. You guys can check out my tour
that
I did a couple of years ago. I'll leave the link above.
There's a
It's
dresser.
similar, but we have an updated room. We're in the Dalmatian area. It's super cute.
There's a dresser,
And we're going to the pool now. So I got my hat on. Isn't this cute Minnie Mouse hat that I got at Kohl's? We're in our bathing suits and we are headed to the pool. And then we'll have some dinner here at the All-Star.
Yay!
All right, let's go. So here is the Dalmatian section. So cute. I always love this section of the All-Star. And in my shopping today at Disney Springs, I got the Cruella de Vil flip-flop. So how perfect. And then we got the notification that we're at the Dalmatian section. So now we're headed to the Fantasia pool. All right, so we went to the pool. Everyone just showered and we're waiting for Madison because she takes forever all the time getting ready. And now we're gonna go get some food at the food court. Let's do it. All right, so the mobile ordering this time at the All-Star was amazing. They did a really good job. They have their act together. We got the refillable mugs this time too. So I have the red ones, so cute. And they were also really, really good about the allergies. So yeah, I'm really happy with the All-Star this time. How's your mac and cheese?
Hot, but good.
Hot, good. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for tonight. We finished up dinner over at the food court and now we're just watching Disney movies and we are just getting ready for bed. All of our clothes are hanging up to dry for the morning, so we have to get up super early tomorrow, pack everything back up again, and then we're headed to Universal Studios early in the morning. So tomorrow is our Harry Potter day. We're gonna do all of the stuff in the Wizarding World, so I'm super excited for that. So we're gonna try to get to bed early tonight. Sorry, it's a little crazy here. So we're gonna try to get to bed early tonight and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Universal. I'm really excited.